yesterday's very callous remarks by Governor of Nyeri, Kahiga. We are still in very, very deep mourning of our leader, Right Honorable Raila, and we have been forced out of mourning to come and address this matter. So yesterday's remarks by Governor of Nyeri County, Dr. Kahiga, at a funeral in Kieni constituency in his county, appearing to celebrate the death of our party leader, the late Right Honorable Raila, are not only nefarious, but unbelievable and utterly despicable from a man calling himself a leader. The late Raila put his life in the line to fight for the freedoms that Kenyans enjoy today, spending nights in determination to be among the gallant sons and daughters of the soil who championed the second liberation of our country, and the selfless sacrifice for our nation is a clear indicator that he had the country's interests at heart. During his time, the late Odinga believed in a Kenya where everyone enjoyed the freedom of speech and democracy, and fought for stronger devolution, equity and equality for all, regardless of where you come from, and a united Kenya. For someone of Governor Kahiga's caliber, who is a beneficiary of Raila's sweat, scars and tears, to make such derogatory remarks of a man who spent most of his life fighting for change in this country is disgraceful and shameful. It is worth noting that the entire Western Kenya region that he decries of benefiting from government resources and development has nothing compared to what his region has benefited from since Kenya became independent. It is bad manners, uncouth, and unacceptable for Mr. Kahiga to make such remarks. In fact, coming from someone who occupies a respectable position of the Vice Chairman of the Council of Governors, it is utterly absurd and astonishing. We therefore demand that he immediately resigns from this position with immediate effect, and the COG cannot have a loose-mouthed, reckless, primitive and irresponsible person holding such a position. He is a disgrace to the country and to the people of Nyeri County.